So I don't know if this could be helpful to you at all, but I just wanted to kind of show you how I navigate through YouTube because I know I had trouble with it at first. So when I'm on Google and I go to this my little icon, and oops, nope, I go to the waffle and I go to YouTube, and that's going to take me to my YouTube, this is my YouTube here, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to my channel, your channel, which filters all this other stuff that I don't want. So here's my channel that I created. So when I have my students upload, they would upload it to my channel. I'd actually give them my Gmail address and my password. It was just easier that way. And then if you go to, here's my little circle again, and you go to YouTube Studio, it's I think they call it the gear. That's where I get to all my individual videos, and you'll see that in a minute. This is my dashboard, so it tells me all interesting things, my latest upload. I can go to analytics. You know, I'm not really that interested in that, but I could. But what I like to go to now is here, videos. And here once the videos are uploaded, they will show up here in videos. And this is where I have the ability to make it public, unlisted, which means you wouldn't be able to find it, or private. You could also make it public, but you could also make it public for just a short amount of time. If you only want it, you know, if you only want to open it on a certain day, that's something you could do, versus public now. So you can actually see that some of these are public and some of these, are private. So this means Craig's, no one can see Craig's. If you got onto my YouTube channel, not under my name, you'd be able to see a bunch of these, but you'd be able to see Robert's, but not Craig's. Another thing, I made playlists. I don't know if that makes sense for you. Maybe it would. My playlists were based on different countries, but if you wanted to add something to a playlist, you could actually, the way I would do it is hold on a second. I would check it and then here you'd have to check it first and then you'd add it to playlists. So Jaden's story came from, you know, Kuala Lumpur or wherever Jaden's story came from. I don't remember right now. And then I guess it's Ireland. So I'd check that and save it. You do have, once you check that person's video, actually, so let me go to Sean's. And then if you wanted some more actions, if you wanted to delete it, or if you wanted to put in a new playlist or do some other things with it, you know, kind of make some changes, you can do that, but you have to check it first. So this Creator Studio, I think there's another way. Let me go back to my channel here. There's another way I think you can get to Creator Studio. And it would be right here, YouTube Studio is another way to get to that, which is helpful. Here's the settings bar here. This is another thing you might want to go to if you want to do some advanced settings. For example, I made this, this channel is for kids, because it is only kid things that I'm putting here. There are some more kind of, if I want to delete it or do some more, I don't even know what some of these are. But there are a lot of different options here, and this is, let me cancel this. This is where you would get it through the settings tab as well. There was one other thing that I wanted to mention to you, and now I'm trying to remember what it was. So let me just click back, and if I can't remember, then go back to my channel. I think it was about creating playlists, because I know I had a little bit of, I have to remember every time I do that. Let me see, playlists. I think this one just, was a customized channel. I honestly can't remember right now, but if that is something that you do want to do, oh, there it was, right there. So let me show you how I got to that. Let me see if I can remember since I just did that. So I went to playlists right there. And when I went to playlists, then I believe I just went to Customize Channel. And this is where I was able to add a new playlist. So I could add a playlist there. So if I wanted a playlist, I don't know, block 1, or if you wanted to do it different sections, you could do it that way. And in order to put a video into a playlist, remember, again, that I went to my channel and I would have to go to that dashboard, which I like to find it up here, but where it says YouTube Studio is my dashboard there. And then you want to go to your videos. And then remember, you click on the video in order to that the child has uploaded it, and then you add it to the playlist that you want to add it to. So I hope this helps. Sometimes it helps to just kind of see it.